I just wanna take you anywhere that you like. We could go out any day, any night. Baby, I'll take you there, take you there. Baby, I'll take you there, yeah. Oh, tell me how to turn your love on. You can get anything that you want.
Wish, there's a lot of trash.
Come sit here.
Oh, coming!
What were you looking at?
Oh, I'm just wondering what we can do with all the trash.
That's it. The chicken is cold already. It's not crispy anymore.
Really?
Why are you crispy?
That's why you invite me. Come sit here.
What were you guys talking about?
Danny were complaining about how his food has gone cold and not crispy anymore.
Not to mention, there's a lot of trash in the school environment. Yeah, I agree. I want to with all this trash.
Oh hey, I have an idea.
What is it?
What if we make something useful out of all this trash? Like we could create the microwave.
Huh? I never heard of that.
Well, the idea is to take plastic waste and turn it into a power microwave.
That sounds...
Great!
But how does it even work?
Hi everyone, our group name is TRASH2TOASTY and our project name is EcoHeat Microwave. Now Danny will talk about the materials.
There are some materials that we use from Mr. DIY, such as glue gun, aluminum foil, and black spray paint. Waste that will be used in this project is plastic bottles, plastic waste, cardboard or box, and toothpaste tube. This is the estimated price for all materials. The total is 33 ringgit 20 cents.
Okay, next let me tell you guys about the benefits of EcoHeat Microwave. Firstly, it can save electricity because it uses less power, which helps the planet. Other than that, this also supports recycling. It encourages turning waste into something useful. Besides that, use waste for energy, so it helps reduce garbage and landfills. Last but not least, it can be used anywhere such as home, school, or small shops that don't have a kitchen.
So, I will tell you how we make this EcoHeat microwave. First, we will collect and tightly pack the plastic bottles with clean and dry plastic waste. This is to ensure each eco brick is compact. Second, we will arrange the eco bricks into a rectangular box shape with 3 walls and a bottom first. We will secure all the bottles together using glue. Third, we will line the inside of the eco brick square with cardboard for structure. We will also cover the cardboard with aluminium foil to reflect and also trap the heat. And then, we will cut a piece of cardboard the size of the opening. We will line the inside of the door using aluminium foil too. We will attach the door using a toothpaste tube so it can open like a microwave door. Fifth, we will make a door handle using toothpaste tube and then glue it. Number 6, we will spray the outside black so it can absorb sunlight and heat. And the final step, we will add a small clear plastic as a window so we can see the inside. A thermometer can be placed inside so we can control the temperature. The EcoHeat microwave is put in direct sunlight for the best heating results.
So this is an example of our final product. As you can see, the plastic bottles is sprayed with a black spray pen and then it was wrapped using aluminium foil. As for the door, it can open like normal microwave door by using the used toothpaste tube.
That's all from us.
Hope you learned something.
Don't forget to like.
Thank you!
Bye!